Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you the lesson Vijnanasya Avishkaraha, Inventions of Science. Today we are going to see the part 2, children. Okay, second part. Listen here, children. First, I will read the paragraph. Then I will explain you the meaning. Okay, children. Listen carefully. येषः दूरभाषः अस्ति. अनेन दूरभाषेन जनाः एकस्मिन् एव स्थाने स्थिताः सन्तः अन्येषु स्थानेषु विदेशेषु च स्थितैः बन्धुभिः मित्रैः च सह वार्तालापं कर्तुं समर्थाः भवन्ति. Okay, children. Now I will explain you the meaning. Listen carefully, children. येषः दूरभाषः अस्ति. What is meant by येषः? येषः means this. दूरभाषः means telephone, mobile. Okay? येषः दूरभाषः अस्ति. This is a mobile. See the picture, children. This is a mobile. अनेन दूरभाषेन, because of this mobile, with the help of this mobile, जनाः means people, एकस्मिन् एव स्थाने स्थिताः सन्तः, sitting in one place. Because of this cell phone, a person can speak to somebody in another country sitting in his place. Okay, children? See here, anena durabhashena, with the help of this phone, mobile phone, janaha means people, ekasmin eva sthane sthitaha santaha. That means sitting in one place. Okay? They can speak with anyeshu sthaneshu. They can speak with some other place. Some other people who are living in some other place, some other countries. Videsheshu cha means we can even talk to our friend or relative who is in another country, in a foreign country. We can speak with them. How we can speak with them? If we have a cell phone. With the help of this cell phone, we can speak with the another person who is living in another country, foreign countries. Okay, children? See here. Videsheshu cha sthitaihi bandhubihi. Bandhubihi means relatives. Tritiya vibhaktihi bahuvachanam. With relatives. We can speak with our relatives who are living in another country. Mitraihi cha. Mitraihi means friends. Your friends who are living in another countries, you can easily speak with them with the help of this mobile phone. Okay, children? Then, saha, vartalapam. What will be vartalapam? Converse. You can converse with your friend or your relative who are living in another country. How can you do this? Because of this cell phone. Okay, children? Then, kartum samarthaha. Samarthaha means able. We can do this. Okay, children? So, you can understand this first paragraph, right? What is the usage of a cell phone, a mobile? Okay? Then, I will teach you about aeroplane. Listen here, children. First, I will read the paragraph. Listen carefully. ये तत् वायुयानम् अस्ति. ये तत् द्रुतगत्या आकाशे उत्पतति. ये तेन जनाः स्वल्पेनैव कालेन आकाशमार्गेण दूरस्थानं विदेशं वा गन्तुं समर्थाः भवन्ति. Okay, children. Now I will explain you the meaning. You say, children, what is the usage of an aeroplane? We can travel in high speed to another country, to another state, right? Within an hour, right? If I travel today, tomorrow morning I will be land in America. Do you agree or not? Because of this aeroplane, right? That's why they have given etat vayuyanam asti. Etat means this. Vayuyanam. What is meant by Vayuyanam? Vayuyanam means aeroplane. Vayu means air. Yanam means vehicle. Vayuyanam means aeroplane, airplane. Okay, children. Then Vayuyanam asti. Etat means this aeroplane. Drutagatya means, what is with Drutagati? Drutagatihi means high speed. Okay? An aeroplane can travel 100 kilometers per hour in sky. Okay, children? That's why they have given etat drutagatya akashe utpatati. Utpatati means to fly. Akashe means in the sky. Okay, children? So an aeroplane can fly 1,000 kilometers per hour. Okay, children? Then yetena, because of the high speed, because of this aeroplane, we can janaha means people can swalpenaiva kalena. Swalpam means what? In few minutes, few hours. Okay, in few hours time we can travel to another country. Okay, see here, swalpenaiva kalena akasha margena. Akasha margena means by air. Okay, akasha margena durasthanam. What does it mean by durasthanam? Durasthanam means far away place. We are in Tamil Nadu. If I want to go to Delhi, which is the best option? If I have so much of money, I can get a flight ticket and I will be in Delhi within another 2 hours. Do you agree or not? See here, durasthanam. Then videsham means another countries, foreign countries. I can be here, I can be in America, Australia within 48 hours if I have money. Okay, children? See here, videsham va gantum samarthaha bhavanti. So what is the usage of an aeroplane? We can travel easily, quickly to the another place. Okay, children? That's why they have said Vijnanasya Avishkaraha, inventions of science. Okay, children? Did you enjoy this session? Good. In our next class, we are going to see about these two, rocket and refrigerator. Okay? Thank you, children. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will get the latest updates. Dhanyavadaha. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.